Working out at home can get frustrating when you have several dumbbells taking up space, or when changing weights between exercises becomes slow and inconvenient. That's where adjustable dumbbells come in. They offer a simple and practical way to switch weights quickly, so you can keep your workout flowing without cluttering your space with extra equipment. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best adjustable dumbbells available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these dumbbells, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the LifeOG Dumbbells, a practical option if you want to work out at home without filling the room with heavy equipment. This adjustable set makes it easy to change the intensity of your training, giving you a simple way to build strength while keeping your workout area clean and organized. Each weight can be adjusted through 5 different levels, offering a range from about 5 pounds up to 25 pounds per dumbbell. This flexibility makes it suitable for many types of routines, whether you're focusing on strength training, muscle toning, or general fitness. With several resistance options in one compact system, it becomes much easier to adapt your workouts as you progress. One feature that really stands out is the one-hand quick adjustment system. To change the weight, you simply place the dumbbell back on its base, rotate the handle to the desired setting, and lift it again. The whole process takes about 1 second, allowing you to move smoothly from one exercise to another without breaking your workout rhythm. Safety is also an important part of the design. The set includes an 8-slot locking system that keeps the plates firmly secured to the handle during use. This mechanism helps prevent unwanted movement or accidental drops, giving you extra confidence even when performing more demanding exercises. Another big advantage is the space-saving design. Because the adjustable system combines several weight levels in one pair, it can replace up to 5 traditional dumbbell sets. This reduces clutter and helps keep your home gym area tidy. The grip has also been carefully designed for comfort. It features a 1.3-inch handle with non-slip silicone coating, which improves control and reduces friction on your hands. This helps maintain a secure hold even during longer training sessions. The plates use a cast iron core with a durable polyethylene outer layer, increasing strength and protecting the floor from impacts. The set also comes with a storage case and customer support, adding extra convenience for anyone looking for a reliable home workout solution. Next up, we have the Core Fitness Dumbbells, a smart solution for anyone who wants a cleaner and more efficient home workout setup. Instead of filling your room with several pairs of weights, this adjustable system gives you multiple weight options in one compact design, making training easier and more convenient. This pair offers an adjustable range from about 5 pounds up to 50 pounds per dumbbell, allowing you to move from lighter exercises to more challenging strength training. With that flexibility, you can target biceps, shoulders, chest, or back using the same equipment. It is a practical way to maintain a full workout routine without needing extra gear. One of the most impressive features is the twist lock quick adjustment system. To change the weight, you simply place the dumbbell back in its base, rotate the handle with one hand, and the correct plates lock into place automatically. There are no levers, pins, or complicated steps. This makes switching weights fast and smooth, which helps keep your workout moving without long pauses. Another helpful detail is the progressive weight increase of about 5 pounds at a time. This allows you to build strength gradually, making it easier to improve over time while maintaining good technique. For beginners or experienced lifters, this type of controlled progression can make a big difference during training. The design is also very space efficient. Each unit combines up to 10 weight levels in a single dumbbell, replacing several traditional sets. This helps keep your home gym organized and prevents unnecessary clutter. Comfort is another highlight. The equipment includes an ergonomic handle with a non-slip textured grip, giving you better control even when your hands start to sweat. It also features a durable aluminum base, built to handle frequent use while keeping the plates properly aligned. You also get a 2-year warranty, adding extra peace of mind for anyone investing in reliable home fitness equipment. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Rendpas Dumbbells, a compact weight set designed for people who want an efficient home workout without cluttering their space. This pair focuses on convenience, offering a quick weight change system and a practical design that helps keep your training area organized. Adjusting the resistance is very simple. You just rotate the handle with one hand, and the weight switches in about 1 second. There is no need to remove plates or deal with complicated parts. This makes transitions between exercises smooth and helps maintain the pace of your routine. The adjustable range allows different resistance levels from about 5 pounds up to 25 pounds, which is enough for many types of training. With that range, you can perform strength exercises, muscle toning routines, or endurance workouts. It works well for movements like bicep curls, shoulder raises, chest presses, or lunges, making it a versatile option for home fitness. Safety is also an important part of the design. The system includes a double locking mechanism that keeps the weight plates securely attached to the handle during use. The resistance can only be adjusted when the dumbbell is correctly placed on its base. This reduces the chance of plates moving or slipping while lifting. Another big advantage is the space-saving design. A single pair can replace up to 5 traditional dumbbell sets, helping reduce clutter and keeping your workout area neat. This is especially useful if you are training in a small room or apartment. The grip has been designed with comfort in mind. It features an ergonomic handle with a non-slip textured surface, which improves control and stability during lifts, even when your hands start to sweat. The set also comes with a storage tray, helping keep everything organized when not in use. The base is built with durable material that helps protect floors from scratches or impacts, making it a practical addition to any home gym setup. Now let's move on to the FITPLAM Dumbbells, a versatile option designed for people who want a flexible workout at home without collecting multiple sets of weights. This pair offers an adjustable range from about 10 pounds up to 55 pounds per dumbbell, making it suitable for different training levels. With that variety, you can perform light arm exercises or move into more demanding movements like chest presses, shoulder workouts, or squats using the same equipment. One feature that really stands out is the adjustable quick adjustment system. Changing the weight is simple. You place the dumbbell in its base, then rotate the handle left or right to select the resistance you want. There are no pins to line up and no plates to remove manually. This makes weight changes fast and smooth, which helps you stay focused on your workout instead of stopping to adjust equipment. Another strong advantage is how much space this design saves. Each unit combines up to 10 different weight settings in a single dumbbell, replacing several traditional sets. This makes it much easier to keep your training area organized and prevents your home gym from becoming crowded with equipment. Comfort is also part of the design. The dumbbells include a chrome handle with a copper core built to provide a balanced and solid feel during lifts. The contoured shape allows your hand to sit naturally on the grip, improving control while reducing fatigue during longer training sessions. These weights work especially well for versatile workout routines or circuit-style training. Because the resistance changes quickly, you can move from heavier exercises like lunges or presses to lighter ones such as bicep curls or triceps extensions without slowing down your routine. The set also comes with a storage tray which keeps the weight stable when they are not in use and makes adjustments easier. Everything is built into a compact design, helping keep your home workout space clean and organized. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, the FITPLAM Dumbbells offer a smart solution for people who want a complete home workout system without filling the room with equipment. This versatile set is designed to handle multiple exercises while keeping your training space simple and organized. One of the most interesting things about this equipment is its 4-in-1 multifunctional design. With the same set, you can use it as adjustable dumbbells, a barbell, a kettlebell, and push-up handles. This allows you to perform exercises like chest presses, squats, bicep curls, shoulder workouts, and push-ups without needing several different machines. For people building a home gym, this flexibility makes a big difference. Another highlight is the adjustable weight system, which adapts easily to different training levels. In dumbbell mode, the weight ranges from about 5 pounds to 22 pounds. When using the bar connector, the total weight can reach around 46 pounds, which works well for heavier exercises. In kettlebell mode, the system offers up to 23 pounds, giving you enough resistance to train multiple muscle groups depending on your routine. Safety is also a key part of the design. The set includes a reinforced double nut locking system that keeps the weight plates firmly secured during workouts. This reduces the risk of the plates loosening, which is especially important when performing intense movements or overhead lifts. The plates themselves feature dual markings in pounds and kilograms, making it easy to identify the weight quickly. They are built from durable polyethylene with cement and iron sand filling, a combination that helps absorb impact and protect your floor when the weights are set down. Comfort was also considered in the design. The grips feature a non-slip ergonomic coating that improves control during lifts. The bar connector combines steel construction with high-density foam padding, adding comfort when the bar rests on your shoulders. The kettlebell handle also includes a textured anti-slip surface, helping maintain a secure hold even during demanding exercises. Everything comes together in a compact design that uses less than about 2 square feet of space. making it easy to store and ideal for keeping your home workout area tidy. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the best adjustable dumbbells or if there's another adjustable dumbbell set you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.